This video is to help you guys create a test through Illuminate and have kids be able to type in their answers instead of just making it purely multiple choice. So if you click on Create Flexible Assessment, and let's name this as a practice, oops, spell practice right, math test. And you want a free response kind of test. So we're going to add some questions. Again, Lightning will add however many questions you want. This is just one by one. So let's say we want to add a couple, and 5 of them are constructive response. So we can add 5 constructive response. Now, it will always come up as 0 to 1, right? If you want to go ahead and change it, so you want your test questions to be worth 5 points, 10 points, you can always change them. This is the default that are here. If you want to edit your own choices to give in partial credit, press edit. You're not going to do multiple choice. You're going to come under user created all the way down with rubric. So I've created 1 to 5 questions, and you'll add in your answer choices. That's if you want to. So for our sake, let's just leave it like this. Okay, let's pretend we've uploaded material. You can always upload material right here. And when you are finished, you will press done. And now our assessment is ready to go. So we're going to go to administer and online testing. And at here, we'll test in your portal. So when you create your, when you actually create this, this is what you're going to go to. We're just going to preview assessment for right now. So under preview assessment, if you ever want to set a time limit, this is where you're going to do it. So 0 means to no time limit. So if you want them only to be able to do this in 60 minutes, or 60, or 120 for 2 hours. If you don't want them to be able to pause their video, or sorry, pause this test, not the video, then you're going to press 0, so they can't pause, they have to take it. And then if we had uploaded material, this is where that would be, but I didn't upload material. Now, this is the most important part, tool setting. You'll find it under preview assessment or test in portal. So I'm going to press show, and again, you can disable all of these if you don't want them to be able to use it, but this is the most important part. The math equation editor. Right now it's disabled. I'm going to enable it, and I'm going to enable it for high school. So preview and begin test. Okay, so here is my my test. So it's normal, bold, italics, underline. If we were writing out questions, subscript, superscript. But the most important here is your math equation editor. So this is what the kids can use. So if they need to write a fraction, right? 1/2, right? Instead of a 0.5, awesome. It saves my equation. What happens if you need to have logs or brackets, radicals, right? You can use all of those. Now, scientific calculator is not the only math equation, right? We can go to all of these. So say you're talking about angles, and so that would be under geometry. So I'm going to say the measurement of angle B, right? B is equal to 9. And then if I want to come back and put degrees, I'd have to go back to scientific and then exponent, right? Oops. Exponent. And then save equation. If I want to have trigonometry, right? You can see our trig, statistics, right? Greek letters. So if you want to see your theta and all that wonderful stuff, relationships, so less than symbols, not equal to, and all that wonderful good stuff. So save equation, and then your question gets saved. Obviously, you can scroll to all of the different questions. They don't have to do it in order. My suggestion would be to have the kids upload their work to Google Classroom so you can see their work and then based on their work and the answer that they put here, give them whatever credit you think they deserve. So again, when you are creating your test, finish, yes, I am finished, return. You're going to do all of that here in Test in Portal. So you're going to change all of that, and then when you scroll down, the tool settings, you want to enable that for high school. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll be more than happy to help you.